It's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.